Take out the main machine and all the accessories. Put diamond tips on the main machine in order. Install the black rubber ring on the operating handle and place them on the handle holder of the main machine in order. The black rubber ring prevents air leakage in the connection between operating handle and diamond tips, which will affect the cleaning or make the machine stop. Take a big round diamond tip for face from the main machine and put the white cotton filter in the diamond tip. Then, install the diamond tip with the cotton filter to the operating handle. Put it in place. White cotton filter can prevent the skin dirt from entering the device and cause damage. Besides, cleaning result can be seen on the cotton filter when it is taken out. Take a small round diamond tip for nose from the main machine and put the white cotton filter in the diamond tip. Then install the diamond tip with cotton filter to the operating handle. Put it in place. Take a smallest round diamond tip for nasolabial folds from the main machine and put the white cotton filter in the diamond tip. Then install the diamond tip with the cotton filter to the operating handle. Put it in place. Install the one end of the white rubber hose to the inlet of the machine and install the other end to the handle. Connect the device with power supply. Press the power button. Turn at the knob to adjust the section. Rotate it to the left to decrease the section level and rotate it to the right to increase the section level. Turn off the machine. To use the glass tube, take down the one first. Insert the glass tube into the white rubber hose. Flat tube for forehead. Long tube for nose. Bend tube for chin and cheek. Note, there's a small round hole on the glass tube. Press the round hole with your thumb or forefinger when operating. Release your thumb or forefinger to stop. Press the power button. Turn at the knob to adjust the section. Rotate it to the left to decrease the section level and rotate it to the right to increase the section level. Turn off the machine.